Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great and enjoying this beautiful Christmas season and also enjoying all those wonderful Christmas projects at my channel, as I have created a special Christmas playlist for you guys. Today I'm here with another sewing plus DIY project, which is very easy and quick to do. This project you can do for your friends, family, and even for your own self. As you can see, today we are in my kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to create this gorgeous kitchen hanging tea towel. All we just need a tea towel, pot holder, and butter hole. You can get these items from any store. I have got some from Dollar Tree store and some I already had in my stash. So let's go ahead and start this wonderful project. Okay, for making these hanging kitchen tea towels, all you just need a kitchen tea towels. This one is from Dollar Tree store. This one is from last year Christmas gift from a friend. And then you need a pot holder. I have got two from Dollar Tree. You can get from any store, and they come in a 2-pack, which will goes perfect with these two tea towels. So simply they are already folded, but first you also have to take a measurements, and for that you need a measuring tape, you need pins, and also you need a matching threads. So for bourbon thread I'm using white to goes on my tea towels, and for this red one I'm using for pot holder. So let's go ahead and start it. So here's my tea towel, and I just had made a fresh fold just to have correct measurements with my pot holder. If you notice here, the fold was smaller than my pot holder, so I just simply open it and create like a little bit more wider. Now it's perfectly wide with my pot holder. Then the second step I marked center of my tea towel. Simply just take measurements with your measuring tape and find a center and create a mark. And then I also have create mark with my pot holder as well in a center. So now they both are line to line up. Okay, now the next step, we're just simply going to line up those marks together, and we will be pinning up from center pin and some pins on the sides, so our pot holder and tea towel stay together and don't move around. We are adding pins on the sides, so we don't want these folds got open or make a gathering. We want to keep them straight. Okay. Last pin here, and we are good to sew. Okay, so once we are going to start stitch, and then we will just add a button and our project will be over. But I'm also going to do same thing with my other towel as well, so I can sew them together. Other tip I want to give you, so if your pattern is on one side, not on other side, like this we have a double side pattern, but here we have one side pattern, so make sure your button holder should be coming at front. Like you cannot do like this. If you do like this, like a opposite side, the button will be on a back clear side. Okay, so you want to have a button at front, so make sure before pinning up, line up straight and make sure your buttonhole should be at front while you're stitching. Okay, so let's pin up and head to our sewing machine. So make sure when we are starting, we're gonna start with the back 4 stitch to secure our thread. Christmas is so much more than the celebration of the birth of baby Jesus. Christmas is experiencing a Savior through grace. Jesus came to save you from sin and all of the hurt and guilt. Jesus came to save you for the purpose of significant living. Jesus came to save you by His grace. Christmas was, is, and always be until Christ comes again. A season of salvation to everyone who is willing by faith to ask Jesus to become their Lord and Savior. If you have never heard this story before, it's what Christmas is all about. Now the next step is just to add a button. So here I have my buttons in a different sizes. I have in white and black. I choose to use a black, which will be look more nice with red. So make sure your button is big enough to fit well in your hole. You can try it, and not too small that it's not gonna hold your towel. Okay, so try different buttons and make sure to you pick the perfect size. So let's stitch the buttons and our project is finished. I'm using a 6-string thread because the buttonholes are wider, so that will be help to just to do couple stitches. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project. If you really like this beautiful, amazing project, as you can see, they look so pretty and they are so quick to make. Feel free to give me your feedback. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and handicraft projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.